Hello, today we will guide you through how to see trade history Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll move at a calm, steady pace, so you can follow along and understand not just where to click, but what each area is showing you and why it matters. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app or the web version. Give the platform a moment to load fully so all account data populates. Take a quick glance at the account selector to make sure you're looking at the correct account, such as live or paper trading, since trade history is tied to that selection. Next, head to the Monitor tab. This is your activity hub where you can review what's happened in your account. It typically sits along the top or left navigation, and it's the place to go when you need a record of orders, fills, and cash activity. Within Monitor, choose Account Statement. Think of Account Statement as your time machine for activity. Unlike the Real-Time Activity and Positions view, this section lets you look back over specific days or longer periods and reconstruct exactly what occurred, including executions, order status changes, and associated fees. From here, click on One Day Back from Today. This quick preset is a handy way to start small and load data quickly. It brings up activity from the prior day relative to the current date, which is perfect for a quick spot check or for verifying recent trades. If you need a broader view, select the date range. Use this control to expand your window to a specific day, week, or custom span. Longer ranges will compile more activity, which is helpful for reconciling results, but it may take a moment to load depending on how active your account has been. Now click on the Trade History drop-down to view the result. Expanding Trade History reveals your executions in detail. You'll see entries for each fill, including the symbol, side, buy or sell, quantity, execution timestamp, and fill price. You may also see order identifiers and assessments like commissions and fees, which help you reconcile net results. If you traded multi-leg options, expect to see separate lines for each leg. Partial fills will appear as multiple entries at different times or prices. If nothing appears, double-check that you're on the intended account, that the date range includes the day you traded, and that you've expanded the right section. Narrowing or broadening the dates can help locate missing activity. When you've confirmed your trades, you can note the details you need for journaling or performance review. That's it. Open Thinkorswim, go to Monitor, choose Account Statement, set your dates, and expand trade history to see your fills clearly.